If you still grate vegetables or cheese like this, you know the struggle. It works, but it takes time and your hand gets tired, and who wants that sliced fingers? So I decided it was time for an upgrade, and this is SUSTEAS Rotary Cheese Grater. The first thing I noticed is how compact it is, even though it is not as small as those tiny cheese graters, but pretty decent size yet very compact, and it looks much more modern in my kitchen, and most importantly it helps save time during meal prep. It is super simple to use, handheld, and no chopping skills required, and it is built with very high quality material, and once you anchor it to the surface it's not going anywhere, and with such a strong hold you can do single hand operation easily. Now press this button to assemble or disassemble the unit. For cleaning or changing the blades, easy snap-on design. The SUSTEAS grater also comes with 5 different interchangeable blades, all organized instead of having loose accessories scattered around your kitchen. All blades stay together and protected. So there are 2 of each blade for slicing, shredding, julienne shred, wavy cut, and bigger julienne shred. So there are like 5 sets. 4 are here and 1 is already assembled in the grater, and these are the different chopping options that you can do, and you can store all of them in a box like this, or vertically or horizontally on your countertop depending on the space. It occupies a lot less space and it looks much more organized. And this is the instruction manual on about the parts and how to use it, installation guide, and these are the chopping options which I demonstrate in a minute. So they are available in many different colors. You can choose according to your kitchen decor. And assembly is super simple. Just unscrew this handle from the back, remove the barrel, and we're going to change the blades. It's so simple. Just push this arrow down and the blade comes off right like that, and then you can just snap in the blades that you want to use. You hear the click sound and that's it. It is super simple and the design is very clever. Once the blades are attached, let's insert it into the barrel, and we're going to attach the crank handle, and it has a gear like structure, so it's very easy to match and just screw it in the place. Make sure it's not too tight and handle should move freely. Now let's peel the potato and use this food pusher to push the vegetable in, like make sure the arrow is facing forward, and you just start grating. Here I have a wavy blade inserted, so you're going to see the wavy potato chips, and look at this, how beautiful and how effortlessly you can make the potato chip. Now let's try the 6 mm julienne shred, and for that I'm using the zucchini, and look at this, how pretty it is, and it is so effortless. I can do this all day long. Instead of spending time with traditional grater, the rotary motion makes the process quick and easy, and you're not going to touch the blades at all. So it is very safe to use. Now let's test this blade. This is 2 mm julienne shred, so you can easily switch things up for different vegetables and recipes. I also like how much faster this makes everyday meal prep, especially when I have several ingredients to prepare at once. Now let's try this 6 mm shred. So I'm using carrot to do this, and look at this, how effortless it is. I really like this, and you can use it while prepping ingredients for salad, tacos, pasta dishes, casserole, and so much more. So I sliced and shredded so much vegetables in such a little time. It just takes seconds to do it, and when you're finished, cleanup is super simple. Do not put this in dishwasher. Remove the unit and the blade from the base and just rinse them thoroughly with water. If necessary, use a little dish soap and a soft cleaning brush. And this grater should be hand washed. Only a quick rinse after use keeps cleanup easy and prevents food from drying onto the blade. So if you do a lot of grating, shredding, slicing, and chopping, then I highly recommend the SUSTEAS Rotary Cheese Grater as a convenient kitchen tool to have. And special discount code pinned in the comment or see in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would make first with the SUSTEAS Rotary Cheese Grater. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.